Okay, we're here at Green World Coffee Farm. We had to make a U-turn because from the road there's no sign. So I totally missed it. And then we made a turn, came here. I heard a little chick chirping. And look at these little guys. One thing about Hawaii is there's a bunch of these wild chickens live everywhere. Look at this. Take a look at this little guy here. Aww. Oh, he ran away. You can still hear them chirping. Oh, there's a little guy here. Mommy's saying, "Come back here." All right, let's go see how it looks inside. All right, here by the entrance, even here, there's just chicken just roaming around, and a bunch of chickens over there. Okay. Oh, there are chicken inside the building. Oh my gosh. Let's see. And obviously they sell coffee here. There's the menu. Some souvenirs. Let's see what else they have. Excuse me. Okay. So a lot of coffee related souvenirs and decorations, obviously. You can buy coffee here. So Hawaii has a lot of very high Japanese population. So we often see these Japanese letters in a lot of places. Almost all of them have Japanese letters. I guess they have a lot of tourists coming here also. The soap? Oh, Maui soap? Let me try.
All right.
Let me try it. Yeah, it smells nice. Yeah. It smells like flour. So they offer free samples. So I just got 2 samples here. Green World House Blend. Let me try this one. Oh, okay, that is good. That's the house blend. And I'm gonna try Lele Hua, 100% Kona coffee beans. See? Oh, this one is a stronger flavor, but not in a dark sense, but a stronger flavor. Very good. Yeah, that's the Green World house blend. This is what they make here. That's good coffee, huh?
Oh.
Yeah. Try this one. This is a Kona, 100% Kona coffee from Big Island.
I like this one.
Yeah, that's really good blend, right? Yeah. Yeah. So this one has a very distinct flavor, but we both love the Green World house blend. Very nice. So this leads to a little side room with the view. Oh, these must be where the coffee beans are growing. So once these flowers go away, the fruits. Let me see if we can find some fruits. I don't know if it's a season or not. I have no knowledge on how the coffee beans grow, but I just know that after the flowers falls down, usually that's when the fruits come out. Let's see. Yeah, it might not be season for the fruit yet. But let's go check out those chicks that we saw earlier. Oh, they're still here. Oh, there are 3. How many are there? There's one just chilling over there. That one is not scared. Let me see if I can get their face. You fell asleep? It's like, hey, wake up. There's some strangers here. Mom, I just want to rest. So I heard the flower, the coffee bean flower smells really good. I'm gonna try it out and see if that's true. Let me see. Oh wow, it is really good. Oh my gosh. Let me smell it again. Oh, it's amazing. Try it. You gotta get really close. We gotta get close.
Whoa.
That is so good, huh?
It's like really sweet.
Yeah, it's like sweet, and very fragrant, very pleasant smell. Very nice. Okay, so right now we're at the west side of the airport. We drove about roughly 25 minutes or so from the airport. So we heard about this place called Leonard's bakery, hot malasadas. They have this Hawaiian style donut that has cream inside. It's on this edge of this mall where the Petco and other restaurants, Starbucks. It's a really nice place. And then, but this is why we're here. So let's check out. Let's see. Let me look at the menu right here. Yeah. So we got the original cinnamon Li Hing. Oh, okay. Okay. And then you got the masala puffs. That's what we're trying to get with custard. Okay. That sounds good. Okay, so we got Leonard's bakery. We got a couple items here. We got the 2 originals and one original custard, one original dobash. Let's try. Okay, you want to try it first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I
I think
it's cool.
yeah.
Oh, so hot.
If it has something, it should have a hole on the side. Okay, try it out. I think that's the original.
Yeah, it's original.
How is it?
So soft.
Can I have a bite?
Wow.
Yeah, let me have a bite. Okay.
Like kinds of a bread.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Inside is so soft.
Why is it so soft inside? Man, this is yeah, it doesn't feel like it is donut, but I think they bake it and then they fry it.
The outside is just so crunchy.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Very good.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, you try. It's so good, right? Man. A lot of times these things are overhyped, but this one, the Leonard's bakery bread here, it's so good. Wow. Let me try. Let me try the custard one here. Okay, custard. I think this is custard. Yeah. The custard inside. It's not super sweet. That's good. We should get some more. I didn't want to get like half dozen or dozen, but we got 4 individual ones, but we might have to get more. It's so good. Yeah, 2 thumbs up for Leonard's Bakery. Yeah, Leonard's Bakery. Very nice.